How to see the dislikes on YouTube. So if you want to see the dislikes on YouTube, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply go with the extensions option, which is on the upper right. So make sure that this option is only available on the Chrome browser. You can only see the dislikes on YouTube with the Chrome browser. So make sure you're on the Chrome browser and then go with the extensions, which is on the upper right. Go with manage extensions, and here you will have all of the extensions. So you just need to simply go with discover more extensions or Chrome Web Store, which is here on the left side, and it will take you to the Chrome Web Store. And then here under the extensions, you need to search for return YouTube dislike. And once you have that, now you need to go with add to Chrome, which is on the right side, and then click on add extension. And now it has been added to your Chrome, right? So what you need to do is simply remove all of the tabs which you have right now. And then you can go with YouTube and you can simply choose any video that you would like. So for example, I'll be choosing something. And here you can see that you'll be able to have the dislikes also. So that's how you can see the dislikes on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.